Number 5, refinancing. Yes, after your car's been repossessed, yeah, you're going to be in the double digits. Yeah, probably your last loan that you had, maybe you're in the single digits. You're paying that 3% or that 4%, that 5%. And now the finance company is saying, well, now you're going to qualify for that 15, 16, or 17% interest rate. And you're saying, no, I don't want that high interest rate. Well, welcome to the world of being in a situation where your credit file has changed because you got your car repossessed. Welcome to that world. But that world does not have to be your world for the next 5 or 6 years, or however that loan is. Think about refinancing. Think about joining the credit union or going to your credit union after you've made 6 or 7 months or maybe a year worth of payment. Remember, I love the credit unions. Why? Because credit unions are for the people, by the people. They actually are nonprofits. They care about you as customers because they're not like a bank like, for instance, Chase or Bank of America. They're worried about profit. Credit unions are nonprofits. So just know that. You can always go and refinance later.